It's a beautiful morning. Start each day with a grateful heart. Good morning, y'all. Let's get today started. The only reason to tell someone in the office this morning to see because there might be some. Hey y'all, just got to the wig store. I had to switch the game up real quick, y'all. Down here I had to switch it up because the wig that I have on is not doing it for me, y'all. It's not doing it. It's just pretty. Help me choose a wig, y'all. Help me choose a wig. This is a Beyonce wig, y'all. She is Beyonce all the way. Fierce. Pat your weave, ladies. Pat your weave, ladies. Now, which one is this?
Vixen.
All right, so you can do 4 parts with this, right? This one's really nice.
And you have a baby hair around you.
Ooh, slay.
And you can make a ponytails and everything. I have your color.
Let's see. Let me see 1B.
Hi. I'm the representative.
Yes.
Discount.
Yes, K discount. Sarah is helping me
Yes, ma'am.
prepare my lace.
I'm having you beautiful woman in here.
Thank you. Yeah, so I can slay, right? Slay all day. This is virgin.
Natural hair.
Yes, virgin natural, so I can dye it. I can color
dye,
it.
You can wash it, and you can make it straightening. You can make it curly.
Yes, look at those curls.
Yes.
Look at the waves. Look at the waves. All right, let's do it. Hi, everyone. I just checked into another hotel. The one that I was in before was terrible. Absolutely terrible. I usually do this beforehand. I should have read deeper into the reviews, but the place was just not good at all. So I'm at a new place. I'm very satisfied. It's beautiful. I see Shaggy in the back. Say hey, Pop, right there. The hotel gave us a little pet-friendly gift for Shaggy. How cute is this? It's a little fox toy. Has a little crinkle inside, so it makes noise. And it has, of course, a little water bottle. And they gave him some treats! It's little steaks! How cute! And I'm obsessed with this bowl. He's happy. I didn't really say why I was here, despite the circumstance that someone that passed in my family. But my grandmother is from North Carolina, so I'm visiting some family down here. I've got to cover a lot of ground, The last time I visited here was actually in November, but it was like a passing through type of thing, so I didn't really get a chance to see all of my family that lives down here on her side. My makeup today is, of course, Arbonne, Quartz, Twilight, and I think, what is this color? Might be Meteor, I don't know, but that's the colors on my eyes. I have a white liner. That's why it looks a little bit different. White liner. So that's from NYX. And then I have, of course, It's a Long Story mascara, which has my lashes looking like falsies. Yes, y'all, yes. I wasn't in the mood for falsies, so It's a Long Story mascara is doing its job and making these lashes look like I have false lashes on. Look at them popping all day, okay? Okay. Y'all, this wind is whipping out here. Woo! Whipping. My cousin let me drive his pickup truck. I feel like I got a hot ride today. Woo! I feel so high up. Way up, I feel blessed. Way up, I feel blessed. All right, so we're heading to go get some food. Hey, I finally made it to the pool. I've been like trying to get here, but I've been like running around. I'm gonna like take some time, unwind, relax, read my book that I'm reading. Currently, I'm trying to finish it. It's called, oh, what is the name of it? Hold on. The 4-Hour Work Week by Timothy Ferriss. So I'm trying to get through that. I haven't really made much time to read since I've been away. Later on, I'm so excited. I am gonna go ride motorcycles with my cousin. He has like, probably like 3 or 4 bikes. And when I was younger and I used to come down, I would ride with him. But since it's been so long, we're gonna do that today. My cousin's up here. Lit.
Yeah.
There you go. All right. Having a ball out here. Hot ride up. We just checked out some houses. Just wanted to see some like housing development type area. Gotta go. All right, so now we are off the bike. We're now looking at modular homes. That's what
Modular homes.
modular homes. And these are, thank you. These are homes that you can buy that are like what, like trailers, right?
Yeah, that's basically like trailers, but more so considered a home. They put cement foundation around.
Ooh, that's all fuzz. Okay. So the cool thing about these is that you can actually walk in. Ooh, this is lit. This is so nice. Wow. I would not expect this for a module home. Ooh, yes. Hello. I'm gonna just move into this today. How about that? This is so cute. Very nice. Oh. This is just exceeding my expectations. Maybe I need to be moving to North Carolina. This is house number 2. Ooh, I thought I liked the first one, but this one. Hello to the kitchen. Look at the dining area. I like this light fixture. That's different. But I really like the gray. Like, this is nice. Nice finish. Wow. This one looks a little bit more modern. Got the his and her sink with the little cabinets here. Okay. Okay, Sanford, I see you.
Closet.
I see y'all showing out. This would be a really nice film room. Like to film videos. Got all this lighting in here. Natural light. Hey y'all, I am Jasmine of thejazztalk.com, and I'd like to welcome you to home tours. I just banged my camera. So I'm viewing houses with my cousin. These are modular homes. You guys probably seen that from my last clip. And look at this closet space. I'm just taking my time looking at places that I think would interest me, and also taking time to see things that I would want to put in my house. Like, I definitely need one of these. That's without question. The jacuzzi. I don't know how I feel about this like open space here. But I have seen homes that have like the shower and then the jacuzzi is connected right next to it. Not in it, but next to it. I think those look really nice. And I like the double sink idea, like a his and her type thing. So yeah, we're just looking at houses. I know, that's a closet. Do you guys see this closet space? Look at this. This is literally like its own room. So this house is really pretty too. Simple on the outside, but gorgeous on the inside. Look at this refrigerator. Wow. Food for days. I love this. Look at this. It looks like a fireplace. Good morning, everyone. So I am now getting some breakfast. It's our last day here. Sausage and pork sausage. So I'm gonna get turkey sausage. And I'm getting some pancakes. This is really cute. It makes 2 pancakes and you just press the button.